Hello everyone, this is Sonia Ahmad. I'm very excited today about something. I was having issues a couple of weeks ago, actually 2 weeks ago. I had an issues with video editing on Adobe Premiere Pro. So I had multiple footages from different cameras. So I was doing multicam editing, and somehow one of the footage from my Sony Handycam, which is the file, was MTS format, and whenever I exported that video footage to the Premiere Pro, the audio and videos, the sound was not synced. There was no technical issues because I know that I have done every single thing that is supposed to be. The funny part is that camera did not have any external mic, so the original video, the sound was already recorded with the built-in mic, but the master microphone was attached to my the main camera, which is Canon M50, the smaller mirrorless. So the microphone was attached to that camera, but anyway, the problem was when I exported the footages from different camera to the Premiere Pro. Actually, let's go back. Whenever I just exported one video footage, the file MTS, to the Premiere Pro, somehow the audio and video, they were not synced, even though they're supposed to be. So I couldn't figure out where the problem was, what the issue was, because I have done editing on MTS file on Premiere Pro many times and I never had the issues, and it really bugged me. And last week I spent about 12 hours, and I tried to videotape again at the same thing, and I thought maybe there's some issues with the camera, but actually no. No matter what I was doing, I was not able to sync the audio and video at the same time. Only when it is exported, it was imported to the Premiere Pro. But when I was running the video by itself using the quick player on Mac, and it was okay. So I realized maybe the Premiere Pro was having some glitch or something. So I made sure that my software, they're up to date, my computer was up to date. But anyway, I worked about 40 hours. Okay, unbelievable. Okay, unbelievable. Like 40 hours. Like where the problem is and how I can figure out, and I don't even know like what to say, like literally. But anyway, the problem was I figured out maybe the new updates, that system is not compatible with the MTS file anymore. So what I did is I converted the MTS file to MOV file. So there are multiple ways you can do it. You can buy a third party, you can purchase a third party software. There are probably the free software available. So I do have the media encoder that comes with Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, but unfortunately the media encoder did not work for me either. So what I did is I used the built-in encoder that comes with my Mac. Okay, and this is what I'm going to actually show you, because you might have these issues, like if you like me, like using different cameras, and then the file formats are different, so it's more likely you'll have these issues. And then so now you can save this video, but I'm going to save this video just for my sake, because I am not a videographer, neither a video editor, so I don't do those things very often. But when I do, more likely that I forget, since I don't do this very often. So that's why I'm going to record this video, like how I converted my MTS file to MOV files, and then just to clean up some cache files on my Mac. So next time I will have this video as my reference. Like if I encounter with these similar problems, I know what to do. Yeah, so stay tuned. So let's go back to the my computer, and I'm going to screen record these the video, and hopefully it will be useful. Also use that, but for my case it did not work well, so I used the built-in the Mac has the converter. So what I did is I just located my files, the video files. So let me share with you. So here is my MTS file. Click on that, right click, and then go all the way down, encode selected video files. Click on that, and by default it's taking time. Okay, so when it pops, by default the setting is already there, H.264 480p, but I want to match the setting to the original the video footage. So originally I chose H.264 sorry, my source video was 1080p, so I'm going to stay with the source video footage, and so I'm going to choose H.264 1080p, and click on that, continue, and then it is going to create a MOV files. It takes like few seconds, maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and then it will see. Here is my MOV file. So that is how I converted my MTS file to the MOV file, and now I'm going to export that MOV file to the Premiere Pro along with other video clips like MP4, and it should not give me the trouble anymore. Another thing that I am doing, I'm going to clean up the cache file. So go to the Premiere Pro and then choose settings, then go all the way to the media cache, and then the default setting is do not delete cache files automatically. Okay, choose that one and then click on delete, and then again I'm choosing the default setting, which is delete unused media cache file, so, and then click OK. So that way it is going to clean up the cache database on my Mac, and the system will be faster. It will be easier for me to edit videos on Premiere Pro. Hope that helps. Again, this is Sonia Ahmad with Enjoy the Moment Portraits, and yeah, I'm going to come back with an interesting problem that I had and come up with a solution, or something fun that I had last week. And until then, see you. Bye bye.